Scrolling doesn't just steal the time you could spend on something meaningful, it also slowly wears down your nervous system and your mental health, and replacing it with something else is much easier than trying to quit social media overnight. Here are 7 things you can do instead of scrolling. Just keep in mind, for a while, none of these will feel as instantly rewarding as social media, so even replacing scrolling will take some effort. 1. Sports. The first one is, of course, sports. If you work mentally and still have energy after work, this is a great option, and it doesn't have to be the gym. Ideally, choose a sport where you physically don't have access to your phone. Personally, my favorites are swimming, boxing, and football. You step into a different rhythm, and your brain stops thinking about scrolling altogether. 2. Reading. I'll be honest, this is one of the hardest alternatives, but also one of the most effective. With today's short attention spans, focusing on a book for more than 2 minutes can feel difficult. That's why you should choose books you're genuinely interested in and set a small goal, like reading 5 pages. Most likely, once you get started, you'll want to keep going. It's also one of the best ways to slow down and calm your nervous system. 3. Movies and TV shows. Watching a good movie or series is generally less overstimulating than endless scrolling. The key is to put your phone away and avoid touching it for at least the first 30 minutes. Once you get immersed in the story, you probably won't feel the urge to check your phone. And some films can teach you something valuable too. 4. Chess. You can play with a friend in real life or on your phone. Yes, it still involves screen time, but it doesn't overload your brain the way social media does. On top of that, it trains your thinking and helps you develop a new way of approaching problems. 5. Walking. If you don't already have a physically demanding job, walking is a great option. Walking without music is ideal, but if that feels boring, put on some music or a podcast and head outside. Your sleep will improve, your health will benefit, and over time, you'll start enjoying it more and more. 6. Learning a new skill. Start studying something you're curious about. Simple videos online can teach you far more than you think. It could be copywriting, video editing, social media marketing, or any other skill that interests you. It can also be an offline skill, like meeting new people and improving your communication. 7. Journaling. Keep a personal journal, a place where you can write down your thoughts, fears, and plans. I'm not naturally someone who loves writing either, but the benefits are real. It's one of the few places where you can be completely honest with yourself, a powerful habit that many people overlook. Of course, it won't be easy. Scrolling will still seem more appealing than everything I've mentioned. That's exactly why it keeps pulling you back. But try replacing just 20% of the time you spend on social media with something else. That alone can be a huge step toward changing your life. Let me know if you'd like to see a part 2. Take care of yourself, and we'll talk again.